Today I'm replacing the blower motor on a 2007 Mini Cooper. It doesn't work, no air is coming out of the vents at any speed. That's usually an indicator of, your blower motor has failed. It's pretty common on these, so I didn't get into too much diag. But if you have a problem where your blower motor doesn't work in some speeds, but it works in others, then it's more likely your blower motor resistor. If it just doesn't work, period, you want to get to your blower motor and check power at the blower motor. I'm just going to get into how to replace it. Start off by removing, this is on the driver's side, obviously. You want to just remove these two torque screws and then pull this cover off. Alright, it's hard for me to even show you exactly where it is because it's in such a horrendous spot, but if you look up underneath your heater core, way up here, there it is. So you can pull this one, Torx right here, and then remove this kick panel. It gives you a little bit better access, not much, but it gives you something. You're doing most of this job by feel, so it's hard for me to even show you this. But you reach up and you can unplug it, and then you can get your hands on those Torx screws that go around the perimeter of it, the smaller ones. What's helpful is looking at your new one to find the location of the screw. That way you can kind of, get the new one and figure out exactly how this goes in, where your plug is, where your screws are, and then that'll help you kind of find them. But you can see there's just three. Those outside ones don't. The inside ones actually hold the motor to this housing, so don't touch those. But the three outside Torx fasteners are what you're going to want to get off there, and then you can pull it right out. But it's hard for me to show because it's in such a terrible place. I can't even really see it. I'm just doing this based on feel. So my advice to you is just get about a 2-inch extension with a T15 bit. And get your seat all the way back and stick your hand up there and just kind of feel around. You can do it. It's just it's a bit of a fight. But I'll show you when the screws are out how it comes out. So, all right, I got those 3 bolts off. They are a very big pain to get to, but you can do it. And then once those are out, you just kind of reach up here again, just by feel, and you're just gonna wiggle this out. It's there's a harness in the way, a big body harness. You may have to cut the zip ties that hold that in place, but you can get it out of there. You just have to fight with it for a little bit. Alright, I managed to sneak it out of here. It's a pain. It's not a very nice job. Honestly, for what the book time pays for this job, if you're a do-it-yourselfer and you want to try to save yourself some money and do this at your house, I would say don't do it. Just take it to the dealer, let them do it. It's not worth the hassle. You're gonna regret it. This is the kind of job that you can pay $100 and something to have somebody do it, labor, or you can waste your weekend and still have something that's not right. So I would say just, unless you're a tech, just have someone else do it. All right, thanks.